Be less the whole of them, brother. Appreciate and the whole of them. The whole of them hurt sound no good. The power none of them.
You don't need any trash?
Smoke a little bit in there. Yeah, we're gonna get smoke with it.
Smoke?
Kitchen, you need these now to kind of feed it, you know. Call them bram, you know. That's a fire. Now we have a fire. Here I want to get some stone and make the barrier. Look at brown to get the belly ice red. Yeah, put that point on it of the house to see. You want it, when it's red, as they go on to them start smell up, you know. And this most people can't do, you know. Can't start a fire. So they can't survive in a while, you know. And when it's wet, you have to know how to start it. Look for the one that is dry and down wet deep inside. They make a sound when you broke them this. You hear that? That means it's dry, see?
Yeah.
If you don't make a sound then you go, it's wet, now go light. They did the whole day with that and you get a fire. Because you have to dry out the water first, then get the blaze. But once it go, all of them, you know much of them there at home? So I've tried $7,000 out of Breadfruit for about a year. Come on, I have that bag of work to do tomorrow. For roasting. Because that will bring the joy, you know, when she say, yeah, I'm already roast and just ready for work, you see, man. Best thing, save my cold. When lazy people come around and them get nervous, you know. So I guess what, they want to come sit down and talk and sit down one place and no movement with them, you see me? But them not see that happen. Wherever I move and I do something, so that get them nervous. You see me? So them have to just either move from around here or just drop asleep. That's the best thing for do, because them man don't ever look for your bum buckler. Yeah, man, I tell them say something out there, just look, notice them. If you start the talking, you turn them on. Them start talking, no. But when they not talk on your work, it's like them confused, them want to know what you think, what in your mind. I'm not sick of Babylon do. I didn't tell you that them one about the library, so you can't go in there to go read no book. Because the first thing it name a library, bum buckler, the whole of them mash out. You would say, I never ever think of that, you know. And you sit down and think of those things. Because I think. I tell her, I say, next time you pass Popeye, look good and say for a Pope, yes, you say. And you say, wow. So now look on them things, them mama, simple thing them. But when you bring them to them, it shook them out of this world. Be less the whole of them, brother. Appreciate and the whole of them. The whole of them hurt sound no good. The power none of them. Dry them dry up on the ground, you see me? We love how you use a tame slave. That them actually, I tell you. I one of the TMS slave them. I saw one hold on now. TM and food. And the one them is not maroon. One of them are Rastafari, real. Because maroon had police long time, you know. On slavery runway. Care about go give back a master, you see me? The back a master can't go in the bush because it go catch him. And ants go bite him. When him send the maroon who can take the pestilent them and the energy will come at them, you see me? Him can't come. So the maroon was that one there, that's why them get land. And he was a perfect police. He was killer police. I see that boy there try to sell out the thing on the style.
It was in the news recently for what? Oh, apparently election supposed to call down there. And it's like him no want call it. I don't know if I call him no want call it or what. But the people them must say him a illegitimate leader now. Until them call an election and vote for another leader, he's no longer the chief. But he must say he's still the chief. So he must move like a dictator upon the people them.
No, the elders them would have take it up in hand. For the elders them not have no problem with it. Look a foot soldier them can always talk. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Because village liberty different, you know. You see them like in Africa, you know.
Yeah.
When you get trouble and the police are come for you, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And they come in to sit down and discuss you. Anything everybody say, that for do, that I go do, and you can't change.
Right.
And we raise upon it. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So if I saw it, they are going to Jamaica, it would be much better than a set of people in a place that train to just tell the fucker. I don't really know the real way of go about reasoning things, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
That them do wrong. But judge and lawyer and jury and them fucker there. That don't make it you have to go to the community that the community know you. You see me? So anywhere you come from, you go to the elders of your community. And ask them what's up with or someone them to come to our community, because in our community they come do the crime. So the leader must know you. You know your mother, you know your father, you know your grandfather, you know everybody, you know the world. And come up. So you know what you're capable of doing, you see it. So you can't say a lie. Now go so again. Alright? So be critical of it. So Breadfruit a change colour, you know. And you don't want to burn the product then, you know. Get the product then you must. Right. When you know so them are roast, you know, you see the water start chin out of this.
Mm-hmm.
The steam start come up. So the steam and show you so now all water dry out. It's like a bird. Poverty teach with them in a car. Mother usually have to roast it on a coal stove and she buy a breadfruit. That's why you live downtown in a community where and a bush where you can just go light up big fire like this. Because breadfruit is served for really roast, you know. On a big fire and just throwing a portion of breadfruit. But living in a city, you can't do that. You have to buy a little one breadfruit and go buy a coal and catch a coal stove and steal them over it and keep turning it. So probably this, we know how to roast breadfruit by watching our mother roast the one breadfruit and two breadfruit on coal stove. So now when we get big, we just climb a breadfruit tree and just build a fire and just throw them in there and just turn them till they see how them look when she done.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? And it's simple that. When you take on to them say Babylon, so you can't even watch them. You have to hide from them. They don't need to watch you. You see me? And then when you get it and I try to tell them say, you have to take drugs, because you not follow what them say to do. You not bow and give in as a big idiot.
Mm-hmm.
You try to anti it and go against it, so you're wrongful. Then look at you know them give you a chance to try show them a point then where them they miss. You see? Them say what was hidden from the wise and the prudent, you know, go reveal to the babe and the sucker. And that's where the cell phone come in now, you know, mama. When the cell phone can show you everything with one blink, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
While in a for them time, them couldn't see nothing, no knowledge never come. Unless you go to school, go read a book, to say you gather what them call knowledge. It's no knowledge that. You're not going to know how to live. This is knowledge. You know, if you get your food and if you prepare it, you see it. No one food and want no food. That them never teach we.